Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and welcome back to my Locksport update. What I have for you today is going to be a really exciting update. Today I am going to be announcing the winner of my 15,000 subscriber giveaway. This was a really fun giveaway to do. I really wish everyone luck, and I really hope you enjoy if you are the lucky winner. So what I'm going to do right now is get right into announcing the winner of my 15,000 subscriber giveaway. I am so excited to start off this week's Locksport update with announcing the winner to my 15,000 subscriber giveaway. It has been so fun watching my channel grow from the beginning, and now it is above 15,000 subscribers, and I still cannot believe that. I am so happy to see the positive impact my channel has had on the community by doing really great how-to videos and really helping people get started in Locksport, being a great advocate for the smaller channels, helping them get their names out there, and I really enjoy being able to be a great member of the Locksport community. This 15,000 subscriber giveaway is a thank you to everyone for being a great part of the community, and I'm so happy to be able to give back. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get started with announcing the winner to my 15,000 subscriber giveaway. So not every single person that may have felt like they entered into my giveaway is going to be on the list today. I was very careful at making sure all of the entrants followed the rules to 100%. I did not feel it would be fair to anyone that did follow the rules to have someone that didn't end up winning. So I have 13 entrants, and the entrants are AJ Clark, Alpha Centauri Lockpicking, Bearsback, Bird718, Board Lockpicker, Cameron Dunn, Cherokee, Chris Capune, Daz Evers, Gordon W., Jason Carlson, Matt's Lockpit, and Saucepest. So in order to do a fun randomized way of figuring out who is going to win today, what I'm going to do is take out this deck of playing cards, and I'm going to assign each entrant a card, and whoever's card is drawn first is going to be the winner. So we're going to start off with AJ Clark's card right now, and that is going to be the Jack of Hearts. So AJ Clark is the Jack of Hearts. Alpha Centauri is going to be the 8 of Diamonds. Bearsback, 9 of Spades. Bird, 5 of Spades. Board Lockpicker, King of Clubs. Cameron Dunn, 9 of Hearts. And then we got Cherokee, Jack of Spades. Chris Capune, 3 of Diamonds. Daz Evers, 10 of Clubs. Gordon W., 8 of Hearts. Jason Carlson, 3 of Clubs. Matt's Lockpick, 7 of Clubs. Saucepest, 8 of Clubs. So now we're going to randomize the deck. I'm going to do a quick little wash here. And then we are going to shuffle the deck one more time. So we're just going to keep drawing cards until we find a winner. Alright, so let's get our list back here. Alright, so the first card we are going to draw is going to be the King of Clubs. Board Lockpicker, congratulations. Right off the bat, you are the winner of my 15,000 subscriber giveaway. the Boardwalk Picker. Congratulations so much on winning this. This is going to be a really cool pinning tray. And I am so happy to see that you won. You are a really great guy. You are a working locksmith, and you're always taking locks apart. I know you're going to put a really great use to this tray. So you are going to need to reach out to me in order to claim this prize. You have 1 week to get back to me, and I really hope you will get back to me. This is such a great prize, and I am looking forward to hearing from you. But either way, this has been such a fun giveaway to do. Everyone, thank you so much for entering, supporting my channel, and just making this such a fun channel to run. Without you guys, this channel would not be what it is today, and thank you so much for the continued support. And now that we have the 15,000 subscriber winner announced, I'm going to get back to this week's Locksport update right now. Now that we were able to draw a winner to my 15,000 subscriber giveaway, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about the winner. So we had just done our drawing. We assigned a number to every entrance, and you can see the King of Clubs was assigned to the Boardwalk Picker, and this is the card that we were able to draw. So the Boardwalk Picker is a professional locksmith. He works out of Florida. He does a lot of service calls, and he is a really great guy. He has always been very helpful to me for anything I've ever needed, and he's just a really easy guy to get into contact with in the Locksport community. He has his channel on YouTube called HelpfulLockPicker. He's always making new content, and he also has another channel that he is desperately trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. He's almost there, and it is RussieJ02. And I'll put a link to both of those channels, and I will write them on the screen so you can see them. I highly recommend you check out his channel. He's a really great guy, and I know he's going to put this tray to really good use. And I just want to say congratulations again to HelpfulLockPicker. You are a really great channel, and I'm so happy to see that you have won this tray. So for this week's Locksport update, I just want to go over a few updates that were left in the comments section last week. If you'd like to see any updates shared, I highly recommend you leave them in the comments below. That is one of the first places I look for getting information for the week. I tried to do my best to watch videos throughout the week, but sometimes I get busy and I cannot keep up with everyone's videos. But if you have anything interesting you'd like to share, whether it be your channel or about anyone else's, just please drop it in the comments section below. So Captain Hook #1 shared that he has now picked his 10th black belt lock on his channel. That is such an incredible accomplishment. Black belt locks are not easy, and I'll put up a picture here of an example of some of the black belt locks that are listed on Reddit. These locks are really, really hard locks that take a lot of skill and a lot of practice. And I just want to say, Captain Hook #1, that is an outstanding accomplishment, and you should be extremely proud of that. The next channel I'd like to mention is going to be Jason Carlson. Jason Carlson has just finished picking 7 challenge locks in 7 days, is what he said in the comment section of my last update. I just want to say that is a really great thing to do. And also, if you don't know Jason Carlson already, as I have mentioned before, he makes really great custom lock picks. He made me this one. And if you'd like to check out his channel, or if you'd like to check out Captain Hook #1's channel, I will put some links on the top here, and you can also check them out in the video description below. Gordon W. also shared that he just opened up some of MicroRCFiend's first set of challenge locks. He said some of them put up a really good fight, and he had a lot of fun working on them. I am not familiar with MicroRCFiend. If he has a YouTube channel, I'll try to check him out, and I'll try to drop a link on his channel. But Gordon W. is always opening up some good challenge locks. He's a great guy, and if you'd like to check out his channel, I will try to put a link up on the top here. If not, I'll put a link to his channel in the video description above, and you should consider checking out and subscribing to all of these channels. The final thing I'd like to mention is a channel that I haven't mentioned in a while, or if ever, is Jeff Moss. He is a pretty quiet guy, but he has a pretty cool YouTube channel. He is always showing off some of his locks he's collected throughout the month. He just put up a video of his February locks. Jeff Moss is a professional locksmith. He is just a wealth of knowledge. He is very helpful to anything that you may ever need, whether you have any questions or you need his help with something, he is there. So I'm going to show a quick clip of his video because I don't think I've ever shared a clip from his channel before right now.
Alright guys, got a bunch of stuff back here. These 3 locks Gleb made keys for. Got this old WB, a newer one marked CIPS Company, and this Sargent that I believe was with Old Fast for a while. This stuff all came back from Josh. Got the Standard Oil, another old WB, Northrop Grumman, the Yale from the UK, and the Columbia Gas with the Corbin keyway. This bank bag I sent to HelpfulLockPicker to make a key for because I was having some issues with it, and he was able to do that. My dad found this, so this will be going back to him. Just a short video now. Also have this core that I need to decode for Josh that he was able to pick to control, so I'll get that taken care of. I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and check out keypicking.com.
Thank you so much for checking out Jeff Moss. He is a very knowledgeable guy and just a really great guy to get to know. If you'd like to see more of his content, I'll put a link up on the top here, and you consider checking out his channel and subscribing. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you this week. This has been this week's Locksport update. I just want to say congratulations again to the HelpfulLockPicker for winning my pinning tray giveaway. He is such a great guy, and I'm so happy to see that he was able to win this giveaway. Thank you again to everyone that had entered. There will be more giveaways to come, and I am looking forward to trying to give back to the community more. But if you guys have any updates that you'd like to see shared next week, just please drop them in the comments below. But if you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below as well. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out.